So, Junior, how are you doing?
This, achoo.
Junior, how dare you sneeze on me? That's it. You are even more grounded for 2 additional weeks. Go to your room now.